Okay, hello YouTube, and yet again I've put together another PDF report that you can fully rebrand. Now this particular report I actually created a while back, but I hadn't sort of I planned to turn it into a viral PDF report. What does it mean by a viral PDF report? It basically means that not only can you download and enjoy the content yourself, but you can also rebrand it so it becomes your very own. All right, and I'm basically giving you free giveaway rights and free branding rights. Now, what does it promote? Basically, it's free information to teach you how to create viral content, viral traffic. Okay, my previous one was more about talking about specifically, lead magnets. What are they good for? How do you use them, and so on. But this particular one is actually a lot more in depth about traffic and how. And mindset and how you need to think about how to generate viral traffic and the potential of it and the power. And the great thing is that this very report that you're giving out, this great content that you're going to be able to teach your team, actually has your Powerline link in that report. Okay, and it's not just sort of stuck randomly. It actually goes into detail on how you can actually sort of promote your Powerline business using this method. It's, I don't know, what is it? It's about 20, let's just have a look at it. It's 27 pages. I mean, it goes into a lot of depth, okay? So viral traffic to skyrocket your success. It talks about, it goes into a little bit of detail about lead magnets, but particularly it talks about viral marketing. Now, this is what I've often done in the last 5 or 6 years in building an online business, is I started off creating viral content for my downline. In the business that I joined about 6 years ago, it all started from PDF, using PDF reports and doing, giving out free reports using, in the same way as what I'm teaching here, by simply, giving away a free piece of value that people want, that teaches them something sort of that everyone needs in our space, in our niche, about how to generate traffic, and then it has kind of links in there about my offer and how they can use this PDF report to promote their offer and stuff like that. But they can obviously they need to join my company, my business opportunity, in order to be able to rebrand this tool. But it helps them, doesn't just help them as a free gift. It's not just something that they have to or they're required to join my business. It actually gives them a free gift in itself. All right, there's a huge amount of great content that will help anyone in any kind of business. All right, but then obviously they want to be able to rebrand the report. They want to be able to have access to my funnels and rebrand the funnels and everything. So then they join me in Leads Leap, they join me in Powerline, and then they have a full business in the box. So that's really how it all works, is how I've been building my businesses for the last 5 or 6 years. And that's been my turning point 6 years ago when I started doing all this. So this is really, really, good content, good quality stuff. And I've got the download page here with the instructions. Now this video is talking about another particular viral report that I created, so I haven't changed the video, but you're gonna quickly see how everything sort of fits together, and obviously you need to join Leads Leap, and then in your case, when you come to grab the share code, you will just change this link to your link, and then obviously you would be able to change your Powerline. All these templates are customizable. So then eventually when you come to here, you'll be able to get immediate access to the to the share codes, and so you can grab the full funnel. And then down at the bottom here, we've got a very simple rebrander tool. Only one field, guys. Enter your Powerline user ID number. That's all you need to do, because there's no other links in the actual PDF itself. This tool is only responsible for actually rebranding the PDF, but there's no other links in there. There's a hard-coded link that goes straight back to the to this particular rebrander tool, but you don't need to rebrand this tool itself, because there's no actual affiliate links on this page. All right, so the only affiliate link you need to rebrand is the Powerline link that gets added into your PDF. Okay, so that's it. You can use these banners. They work for the I've now got 3 PDF rebrandable PDF reports, and they're all viral. They're all rebrandable. Okay, so this particular one is for the PDF I've just explained, which is this one. Okay, and you know, this actually, I've changed this share code here. This is for the thank you page. I've changed this share code. This share code will actually give you this one, so you can just switch out the Powerline link here. It's easy. You just need to upload your PDF report after you rebrand it. So when you rebrand your version of the report, it'll download onto your computer. Okay, then you need to upload it into LeadsLeap. Okay, or another hosting site. It's totally up to you. If you host it wherever you want to host it, it's totally up to you. So just upload it into LeadsLeap if you want. I think it's probably only for upgraded members, but if that's the case and you don't want to upgrade, you can go and search on Google for a hosting platform that may be free. It's up to you, but why not upgrade? It's very cheap. It's reasonable. And then then just link it to this button here, okay? Because it's you've got the full-blown drag and drop editor to edit these pages to your heart's content. Same applies to this. You need to add your link here for LeadsLeap after you've joined, and then after you've joined Powerline, you need to edit this link as well. So you've got everything. You've got the full funnel, okay? So when you access the Brander tool, then you can grab the funnels and you can stick a funnel in front of this page, okay? And grab any of the funnels. Obviously you're gonna edit the funnels to your heart's content, and also, guys, don't be lazy. Please edit the email follow-up messages, okay, so that it words in the way you want it. Okay, make it yours. All right, don't just rely on me to do all the work for you. People are asking, like, you've given me the wrong email follow-ups series. No, I haven't. You've got to go ahead and edit them, and then they go, oh, okay, I've got a bit of work, have I? Yes, you do. Okay, so guys, please, I'm putting these PDF files out together. I don't want to have all the work to do. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to have time to produce more viral content here for you guys. But you've already got these templates. Understand that these are actually templates. They're not done for you. They're templates that you can edit, and then you can stick whatever email follow-up series you like in there. Either use my share code to get you started with, okay, for the email follow-ups, reword them, edit them, change the links in there, and then attach them to whichever page you want. Change it however you want. Change any of these. You've got a drag and drop editor. Even free members can have access to the drag and drop editor. So it's amazing how much I'm giving you, and it amazes me how many people actually come to me and says, oh, you didn't edit the download page correctly. I did everything fine, guys. You have access to an editor, so edit it yourself. All right, hope you like what I'm producing here. I will be bringing out, I've got a number of other PDFs, rebrandable PDF reports up my sleeve. Now, the purpose of these reports are just simply to give out free value. This is the way to rebrand yourself and to brand yourself on the internet, and it's the way to get to build your list. All right, so that you get followers. You get active followers, people who love what you do, keep following what you do. Okay, this is the way to rebrand yourself and to viralize your business. So guys, I'm not just giving out this content willy-nilly. I'm not just giving out random content. I would be, I'd almost be willing to bet that most of the people, probably about 99.9% of the people who download this report, will not even read it. All they're interested in doing is rebranding it. Well, shame on you. Okay, read the content, guys. Read it. And if you're one of the ones who's listening to this, hearing me say that you haven't read it, and I bet it's true, go back, go and read it right now, guys, because this is going to teach you a lot of valuable stuff. I know exactly who doesn't read it, because they're the ones who come back into my inbox asking the very questions that's actually already in this PDF guide. So I know who you guys are. Just, shame on you. Read it. Don't worry about my just ignore my hard speech here. I'm sorry, but guys, I'm actually joking. Chill out, guys. Don't worry about it. I know I'm passionate about my business. I know I love what I do. Have a laugh. This is me. All right. This is the kind of person I am. But you're going to learn from this. Okay, I'm a teacher by heart, and I have a lot of love for people. All right, but I don't want people to just ignore what I say. I want people to really, absolutely, follow these tips and tricks. Don't just skip over stuff. Don't just skip videos. Don't just skip the very content that that's been provided for you, that was there to actually teach you. Please, guys, read the report and then use it and make it your own. All right, I'm just giving this stuff out, so make sure you read it at the very least. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Cheers, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.